Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating story of VitaphoneRacing, one of the most dominant teams in GT racing history. If you're a fan of endurance racing, this is a name you definitely need to know. So who were they and what made them so successful? Let's find out! VitaphoneRacing was a German racing team that made a name for itself in GT racing, particularly in the FIA GT Championship. The team was founded by Michael Bartels, a former Formula One driver, and they raced under the Maserati MC12 GT1, one of the most iconic GT cars ever built. The team had a strong partnership with Maserati, running under the Vitaphone colors black and green, which became a signature look on the track. From the mid-2000s, VitaphoneRacing was the team to beat in the FIA GT Championship. They won their first team championship in 2005, and from there, it was pure domination. Between 2005 and 2010, they won 5 consecutive team titles and 5 drivers' championships, making them the most successful team of the GT1 era. Their secret? A mix of strong drivers, great teamwork, and one of the best cars of its time, the Maserati MC12. Speaking of drivers, VitaphoneRacing had some top-tier talent. Michael Bartels wasn't just the team owner, he was also one of their star drivers. Alongside him were names like Andrea Bertolini, who became a multiple-time champion with the team. These guys knew how to handle endurance racing, consistently putting in fast, reliable performances that kept them ahead of the competition. One of the biggest highlights in VitaphoneRacing's history was their success at the 24 Hours of Spa, one of the toughest endurance races in the world. They won the race 3 times, in 2005, 2006, and 2008. Winning Spa is no joke. It's a real test of speed, strategy, and endurance, and VitaphoneRacing proved time and time again that they had what it takes. But like all great things, their dominance had to come to an end. By 2011, the FIA GT1 championship was changing, and the Maserati MC12 was no longer eligible to race. Without their iconic car, VitaphoneRacing's golden era ended. They attempted to continue racing in different series, but they never reached the same level of success as before. Eventually, the team faded from the motorsport scene. Even though they're no longer racing, VitaphoneRacing left a huge legacy in GT motorsports. Their record-breaking championship wins, their dominance in the FIA GT era, and their iconic Maserati MC12 made them one of the most legendary teams in GT racing history. They showed the world what a well-managed private racing team could achieve, going head-to-head with bigger manufacturers and winning. And that's the story of VitaphoneRacing, a team that ruled GT racing for years and helped shape the sport's history. What do you think about their dominance? Would they have survived in modern GT racing? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome motorsport stories. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.